In the morning.
Really?
What I see in the morning is that I wake up and I open one eye and I have a blockage in front of the right eye that is totally black. And if I close that eye and I open the left eye, I see another blockage that is totally black. This morning when I woke up, the blockage on this eye was a squares of black and light, like a like a grid,
Mm-hmm.
like a grid of black
Like a
and light,
checkerboard.
like a checkerboard of black and light
Mm-hmm.
on this side. And on the other side, it was the same shape, but it was also a grid of little windows of light that were tingling
Mm-hmm.
behind the black thing. So
Okay.
I've never seen that before.
Okay. And can you explain this pattern?
When I before I had that problem, when I was closing my eyes, I this the whole circle was black.
Mm-hmm.
Since I have the retina macular degeneration, when I close my eyes, this shape here is kind of yellow, kind of a light. This
Mm-hmm.
is black and this is light,
Mm-hmm.
and now it's kind of disappearing. I get back once again. I see when I close my eyes, the whole circle is black.
Well, God bless. Thank you so much for your cooperation here. And we'll note this.